Hello, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Beginning with our first project, I went to a secondhand store and I found this pretty basket. It has a little dent, but I am going to be taking care of that. I added all-purpose super glue and a little dot of hot glue just to make sure that it would stay in place until that super glue would dry up. The all-purpose glue is already in place. Oh, and by the way, I paid $1.50 for this little basket and I think this is more than worth it. I have also this ribbon that I purchased at a garage sale and I have so many rolls of it. I paid $7 and if you follow me, I've spoken about this in my prior videos. I've been using this burlap ribbon, oh my god, for a while now and I am loving it. I paid $7 and it was a whole huge box full of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating the basket with this burlap ribbon, intertwine the burlap throughout the basket. I hope this makes sense. And I will be using some hot glue. I'm gonna try to use the glue only in the inside of the basket because since this is burlap, I don't want the hot glue to penetrate through the ribbon, I should say. And for this section right here, I'm going to be using this rope and I'm going to use the same method. I'm just going to go ahead and glue it with some hot glue. And I'm holding the rope for just a bit until the glue dries up because of course I don't want this rope to come loose from the hot glue, of course. When I first came in through that thrift store, I spotted this basket and I'm like, I know exactly what to do with that basket. And when I saw that it was $1.50, I thought it was a steal. I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but even the prices at the secondhand stores have gotten up. So when I saw this for $1.50, I said, I'm taking this home. And of course, I'm gonna decorate it with, flowers and carrots and whatnot. But you could always switch around whatever season it is, and then you could decorate it based on that. And then of course I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and this rope was really thick so it took me a little bit to cut through the rope, and I'm gonna tuck it in with plenty of hot glue, making sure that this does not fall apart. So I'm going to be adding more hot glue right here, making sure that the rope does not move around. And once that is done, then I have more of this ribbon, burlap ribbon, and I am going to add another section in the bottom. So I'm adding the second roll of ribbon. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna cut it and tuck it in with some hot glue. Then I'm gonna proceed adding more hot glue right here in the middle. And then I'm gonna add this floral foam. And then of course, I'm just gonna go ahead and start adding some artificial eucalyptus. And I purchased this at Temu. So I purchased 2 bundles. I'm gonna go ahead and take them apart and then just start spreading them inside that foam little by little. And this is going to be turning out absolutely gorgeous. I love the way this turned out. I also want to take the moment to thank my subscribers for returning and stopping by and clicking into my video. And if you are stopping for the first time, welcome to my channel. I hope you consider subscribing. And here is the final review. And like I said before, I added some carrots, and those carrots I bought it at a grab bag from Michael's. And I hope you enjoy this one. Thrift Flip Road Trip Open Challenge is back again this month. This takes place every other month and it is being hosted by Unicorn Dust Designs along with Crafting Cousins. This month, co-host is Crafting with Indiana Jones. We are challenged to creatively repurpose items, sources from Thrift Flip, roadside finds, or simply refresh items we already have at home. The links directly to these talented creators you will be able to find in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like to their channels and also let them know that I sent you. And now let's go ahead and continue with our second project. Guys, I literally found this item exactly where I showed you this video. I told my son, hey, I found this right there. It was next door to my house. And he goes, come on, mom, let's film you. And I just decided to show you that little clip. But yes, I was so happy when I found this item. This is absolutely gorgeous. I took it home and I gave it a nice rub down with Lysol wipes. And now I'm going to come in with some of this metallic gold paint and I'll be retouching everything that is black, all the metal. This metallic gold paint I purchased at Dollar General and it looks kind of yellow when it's wet, but once it dries up it looks like gold, and that's why I love this acrylic paint, because it is acrylic paint and I am loving it. So I tried adding a tea candle light in the inside, but I couldn't find any. So what I did is I found some fairy lights and that's what I added in the inside and it looks gorgeous. So what I did is I turned off the lights and I tried to see how it looks, and it looks absolutely divine. And of course I'm going to show you both ways, with the lights on and with the lights off, and you let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful piece. I just cannot believe that somebody would just get rid of it. But you know what they say, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And of course this was my treasure, and here it is. I'm going to show you the final review, and again I added some fairy lights in the inside. Look at this beautiful piece. I purchased this also at the thrift store. I'm going to begin by adding the same gold acrylic paint, and I'm going to go ahead and just start distressing the entire piece. And these beautiful ceramic plates also came with the set. So everything came together. Look at how gorgeous, but it doesn't fit my decor. So I'm gonna be giving it one coat with this espresso brown paint. Now that everything is dry, I'm coming in with the same acrylic gold paint, and I am going to give it 2 coats to one of the plates. I painted all 3 of them because I thought I was gonna come up with something else, but then I decided that one of the plates would look absolutely gorgeous with the same acrylic paint. And of course, I'm giving it 2 coats to the entire plate. Now that it's completely done, then I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side. I'm gonna let it dry. In the meantime, I have this marker. I purchased this at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take the whole entire border of both of these 2 plates that are in brown. And of course, I'm outlining both of the plates, and look at how gorgeous this is. Absolutely gorgeous. And I am so grateful to be participating with this thrift flip road trip, because now I was able to show off this beautiful piece that I've had for like 2 years. And again, don't forget to visit this beautiful talented creators and give them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking to their channels. I'm sure that you will not regret visiting their channels. They are so talented. I also want to thank my subscribers and my future subscribers for stopping by and clicking into my channel. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. If you are coming from one of the other platforms, welcome to my channel, and I'm so happy that you decided to stop by. Once everything is done and set, I have a window cling, and I will be placing this one on the middle plate, which will be the gold one. And this will be it for that DIY, or I should call it project. I usually add some Mod Podge, but because I am going to be using this beautiful piece, switching it around depending on the season, I'm just gonna go ahead and place it. And this is still holding on. I did not need any Mod Podge. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoy this one.